So this just happened. I just got yesterday a message, a phone call from, oh, hey, we want to come do a photo shoot of your house. Yay. Now, it's something that they normally do with the houses that we built. But here's the problem with that. Uh, COVID happened and I couldn't buy a couch. I can't go buy furniture and I can't, like we've been living on bare bones, right? It's been so bad that I literally called the lumber yard that is still delivering lumber and I had them deliver all of this stock lumber and I've been building furniture. Oh, you've got to see the bed that I built. It's like, well, here, let me show you. So you're getting a sneak peek of everything. Those tables, I built those tables. I built those tables. Yes. And don't tell anybody I'm showing you this stuff. That bed, I built that bed. I built that bed. But here's my issue. So I have most of the rooms almost done, except for the gym, because did you know they stopped making gym equipment? They stopped making weights and benches. So we're like on lists and orders to get this stuff. But here's my real issue. I'm on my cell phone. I'm going into town, so I'm going to upload this for you real quick. But here's the issue. So my closet, right? Well, I can close that door and it'll this is the craft room. This is what we're going to be working on, like stat, right? So when you walk in the door, this is what you see, a half done shelf. That's my sewing cabinet. And this is kind of like my staging area for all of my parts for the alpha shelving, like, right? So you want slim hooks. Here's a package of slim hooks. That's the slim hook pile. This is the accessory hook pile. And these are the little clear shelf pin pile. Everything is in pile. It makes my CDO very happy. And here, this, I just throw stuff up there with a hook whenever I find something for sewing, because this was like going to be my sewing section. So see, maybe we can get you. So this right here is the sewing section. And then that's going to be where I cut or little stuff, maybe? I don't know. It's all still in thought. And this is my vinyl wall. You know, Cricut Silhouette people, we have to have a wall of vinyl, right? A wall of vinyl. That's like my vinyl wall. And then that's where I hide my sewing machine and my serger go right there. And then a nice shelf and then a lower, see? So can you see? Look behind me there. Look. Look at all that. Look. It's just piled full of stuff. Ah! And they're like, oh, we want to come do a photo shoot. And I'm like, no, really? No, not right now. You do know COVID is going on, and you do know that, like, we're going backwards in being open. So we've gone from phase 2 to like the county south of me is like, oh, we're back on phase 1. And I'm like, what? And some counties never even entered a phase. So anyways, let me show you what I've got so far, because we're going to start organizing this puppy. The next video we will have organizing. This is actually a bed. It is a bed in a cabinet. It is like so cool. I'll open it for you someday, but oh, it takes like 2 people or 1 person without a phone in their hand. So this is, can I open it? Yeah, see, there's a bed in there. Oh, no fingers were hurt in the harming or harmed. And then these are all my alpha parts for from the Container Store to finish my shelves. So this is the perfect height for doing projects while standing, right? Like perfect. My husband pointed that out and I was like, oh, that's ingenious, right? So here's what I'm thinking. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? You don't want to see my finger. Where's my finger coming from? There. Because I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to throw this puppy up. So this is a drawer, a cabinet. It's a cabinet that some woman's husband built her from like the 60s. And she passed away a couple years ago and her daughter gave it to me. I feel like so honored, like seriously. And look at it matches my library table perfectly. but it's also, it was made to match her sewing machine. This is actually a 1960s Kenmore, I think it's Kenmore Singer sewing machine, a heavy duty sewing machine, something that's going to sew like multiple layers of denim and leather. That's what that puppy is. So I have, my thought is I should just take all of this stuff and throw it in the closet and close the door and pray they don't open it. Maybe I could glue the door shut. You know, I have a lot of glitter glue. I wonder if that would work. So I'm going to finish my husband's shadow box. I'll probably do that, start that right now, finish that, finish my husband's shadow box. I still have to pick up my last craft project with you guys. I haven't picked that up. Here, see? The mean glue is right there. I'm just going to call it the mean glue from now on. Once you get a nickname with me, it pretty much sticks. But my Cricut is in her own place. She's in her house. My husband's shadow box and all of my parts and stuff. So, and then down here, see, all of this. It looks organized, but the baskets just have like stuff thrown in them. Like massively just thrown in them. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I think I'm just going to continue the throw method, the throw and hide. That's what we're going to do it. We're going to call it the throw and hide method. And I will get this place really cute and ready for photos. And then I'm going to go through and organize it. Yes, that sounds like a winner to me. I've got about a week and a half to do that. Okay, I am off. I'm going to go to the big town. Oh, you want to see something real cute? Look at them. Look, it's a Cricut cutie. They're just cute, right? They're just cute. My happy planner stuff. Not that I have been happy planning because I have been busy building things and working and doing stuff. And I haven't even opened up the rest of my card stuff. So I have no clue what's in here. I have absolutely no clue. The only thing I know is what they showed on the back of the package. I'm going into town today. I should go to Tuesday morning. That would be so awesome. If I do, I will post a video while I'm there. It'll just be a short thing. All of my Cricut stuff, my patterns, because yeah, I do kind of sew. I'm not perfect at it. You don't want to wear anything that I've sewn, right? I may have this lady right here, but ladies and gentlemen, I got her out of a dumpster. Yes, I dumpster dived for her. We should just call her Demi, right? Because a dumpster, I don't know. Anybody have a good name for her? We could just give her a name. Yeah, I dumpster dived for her. I used to be a huge dumpster diver when I lived in the big city and they had like good dumpsters with good crap in it. Now here, they would probably sell that thing for $300, maybe more. I don't know. My die cut, I have a little baby die cut. My books, I love to have actual paper books on hand that will show me sewing. So this will give you any stitch in the world that you might need, just in case, you know, we lose like electricity and stuff and we live in the dark ages. I will be able to survive. I used to do old-fashioned camera photography. I think this is all full of stamps. What do you think? You can see. I can't. Yeah, see? I just threw stuff in. Okay, I'm going to get going here. And this is literally just all thrown in. Oh, Snoopy. Everybody has to have a Snoopy. Here, sweet, sweet thing. That's mine. That was mine from like when that thing is 50 years old. I'm not joking. 50 years old. I bought it for 25 cents at a flea market in Santa Cruz, California. Yeah, anybody knows the flea market at the drive-in? That was my favorite place to be on a Saturday and Sunday. I could have spent all morning there. My grandpa used to give me a quarter and tell me to go buy stuff. Nothing. You can't buy anything with a quarter anymore. More patterns and stuff. I need a ladder to get to it. But this is my cool area. I've just been like rummaging. Okay, so that's it. I now have massive purpose to do that room because you can't have a craft room for a photo shoot looking like a mess. Although it would be realistic, wouldn't it? Because isn't all of our craft rooms a mess? Okay. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching my little mini freak out. Like, oh my gosh, yes, you want to do a what? And I warned them, you do know, like, COVID is here and we can't go shopping, and I just got residency a couple months ago. Excuse me. Morning coffee. Oh, forgot my coffee in the room. And they said, oh, it's okay. Bye, you guys. Have a great day. Go make something cool. Post in the comments what you've made, and like and subscribe and follow me, because I actually read all of your comments. Not that there's a lot, because there's not, but I read the comments and I think of you guys all as my friends. So I know that's really sad. I don't have a life. I do. I have a life with you guys, and I have a life of building things, right? Building things. You want to see my tables again? No, you don't want to see my tables again. I will talk to you guys later. Don't tell anybody I showed you the secret footage of the things I've built. Don't tell anybody. It's just you and me. Just you and me. Bye.